Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, 4-wheel drive, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, premium sound system, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, heated outside mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.